TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. We have made it through another week, but before we get to the weekend, I do have some more work from home job leads just for you. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Conduent. Now, Conduent works in a bunch of different industries. They provide different services and solutions on behalf of Fortune 100 companies and over 500 governments. They often hire for data entry work from home positions, and I haven't seen them hiring in quite a while, but they are hiring again right now for remote data entry. This is completely non-phone. It is remote for my United States folks only, and it requires no experience whatsoever. Now, one thing to quickly note about this position, it is like a second shift position. They're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m., and the pay is $14.50 an hour, plus they offer a standard benefit package. Now, they pay is pretty low because they don't require any experience. Normally, companies pay based on experience and location, so just keep that in mind, but this is something that you can get that experience and then have experience to put on your resume to get a better, higher paying job. But they are basically looking for somebody to receive, process, and ensure document classification is completed and transmitted to clients. This may require some outbound correspondence from the client to be processed. You'll receive documents in electronic form for processing. You'll sort the documents, images, files, and then you'll archive them by form type. You'll have to identify documents and their purpose, creating a database of information. You'll capture the information based on the client requirements, and you'll verify the data from the automated data extraction tools. Now, as far as what they're looking for, again, no experience is required. You do need to be able to type 40 words per minute or better. Somebody who can basically just perform business support or technical work. It does say this is an entry-level position with limited requirement. They need somebody who can perform analytical and operational processes and apply your skills to complete work assignments. They just need somebody who has a basic range of processes, procedures, and systems. So basically someone who is trainable and teachable and can follow the guidelines. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.